Maddie, and today we talk with some of the staff from Cram Pumps and Systems about the manufacturing process. Here's how it went.
Yeah, my name is Alex Crabtree, and I am the Value and Sustaining Engineering Manager at Cram Pumps. So, two main things. So, sustaining engineering deals with all of our current product lines that we manufacture. So, anytime there's any issues with them, we do the shop floor support when it comes to our current product lines. And then value engineering is about taking cost out of the business. So what can we do to have a product still have the same value for the customer, but eliminate some cost on our end, ultimately leading to us having more profit margin on our products. So I went to Ohio Northern and got my bachelor's degree there in mechanical engineering. And then upon graduation from Ohio Northern, I went to Bluffton University and did a master's in business administration. So to be honest with you, I wasn't real confident on it when I first chose it. I knew I wanted to do, my dad's a computer engineer. I knew I wanted to do engineering, but I really wasn't sure what discipline. So I went in and did mechanical just because it was the most broad of the engineerings. I started with a minor in computer as well, but very quickly realized that programming was not for me. I struggled with that very quickly and just learned to develop a passion for mechanical the longer I went through my curriculum. So for me, it's a great location. I mean, I grew up in Inglewood, went to Northmont, so I'm fairly local. There's really, I like being north of 70, a little less traffic. You can live out in the country and not have as populated of an area and still have a great manufacturing company that's got corporate support and tons of funding and things that we need from that standpoint. For me, really, it's the variety of the job. So I'm a very high energy, very quick paced person. I like to be working on a lot of different things at once, and I like to be able to do a lot of different things. So like every single day is different, whether it's working on commercialization of new products, working in the R&D lab to design new products, working with HR on different planning for individuals. There's just a lot of different things that Cram Pumps allows you to do as an employee. Do an internship or co-op. I mean, that's the biggest piece of advice. You've got to have experience. So I know for me personally, I'll be honest, I kind of got lucky. I did one co-op here at Cram Pumps and it went really well and got a job from that. But I would recommend, if you're choosing an engineering or manufacturing curriculum, don't think you're going to do school in 4 years. It's going to take you 5 or 6 years because you have to do your co-ops. If you graduate without doing co-ops or internships, the likelihood of you getting the job that you want is slim to none. So I would highly recommend starting from your sophomore year on, doing semester of school, semester of work, semester of school, semester of work to get that experience you need.
Hello, I'm Tanner Mason. Today I'm here with Brooke. Brooke, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Brooke Winter, and I am the marketing specialist here at Cram Pumps and Systems. I've been here for about 2.5 years, and I graduated from The Ohio State University.
What's a typical day look like for you?
My typical job during the day is I run our social media accounts, so I manage those and post when needed, whether we're running hiring campaigns or even product campaigns. I also manage our SEO practices, so we work through a platform named Bright Edge, and I manage that on the daily with those continuous changes and continuously improving that.
What made you get into marketing?
I like that it's people-faced and you're constantly strategically thinking, and it kind of relates back to you and how you think, and it makes you challenge yourself and question why you do the things that you do to kind of figure out what customers do. And I like that it's ever-changing, and there's always something new that's happening in the marketing world.
Hello, my name is Haley Mesher. I am the HR representative here at Cram Pumps and Systems. I've been with the company for 3.5 years now.
Now explain to me, why is manufacturing so important to Crane as a company?
Manufacturing is important to us in our company because we produce finished goods from raw materials that we produce for customers and product to help in this world.
What do you enjoy most about Crane being in Piqua, Ohio?
Yeah, so what I like about having our company in the City of Piqua is all the philanthropic opportunities that we involved in. We do volunteer hour work with the Bethany Center, the Salvation Army, as well as we adopted Moat Park here. It's great to work for a company that allows you to do philanthropy work within the community that you work in.
How would you say you've seen this company grow since you've been here?
Yeah, so in the 3.5 years that I've been here, I've seen our company grow in multiple ways. We have grown through innovation and new product development within the markets that we do work in.
Now, can you tell me, are you accepting applicants with minimal experience?
Yes, we currently are seeking applications for minimal work experience here. And in order to learn more about our company, I suggest that you go to cranepumps.com/Ohio. Those will list our open careers and positions, and then that way you can get in contact with me.
Could you explain about some of the benefits and the pay Crane gives?
Yeah, so our pay is pretty competitive within the markets. We do offer benefits for full-time associates, which include medical, health, dental, vision, as well as 401k. We do provide 11 company paid holidays for all associates here at Crane. Yeah, so go to cranepumps.com/Ohio, scroll to the bottom of our website. That will bring you to all of our open positions that we do have open. Or if you're through the Piqua High School or Upper Valley Career Center, you can reach out to your local advisor, as we do post jobs openings on their websites as well. Yeah, some advice that I would give is I would definitely gain experience in the manufacturing world by applying for summer help positions, getting that experience, or even checking out the programs that Upper Valley Career Center do offer in the manufacturing world.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm here with Lindsay. Lindsay, can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Lindsay Richard. I am a team lead with Crane Pumps and Systems, and I have been with the company for almost 6 years.
So what does your typical day look like being a team lead?
So basically I come in anywhere between 5 and 6 in the morning. We have our morning huddle in the mornings, and we meet with our team. We let them know where they're going to be working at, because they might not be working in the same area every day, and we let them know of any meetings or anything that's going on throughout the day, and we put them in their areas, and then during the day I check up on them hourly, making sure their schedules are going as planned, if they have any questions or concerns or any quality issues in their cell.
What do you like about working for Crane Pumps?
What I love about working for Crane Pumps and Systems is I just love the overall atmosphere of the whole company. This is actually my very first manufacturing job, and there's just not one particular part I love about it. I just love everything about it. It keeps me busy. I'm learning new things every single day.
So do you have any higher education or just your high school diploma?
Just a high school diploma.
What's one piece of advice you would give our students who plan on going into the manufacturing field?
Don't be afraid to try it. You never know what you can do until you actually put your mind to it and just do it.
Hi, my name is Tommy Grice, and today I'm here with Mike. And Mike, would you care to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Mike Foster, production supervisor of the machine shop. I've been at Crane Pumps for 25 years now.
What does a production supervisor do?
Basically, I drive safety, quality, delivering cost, using our Crane world-class business system. I walk the shop daily and make sure all goals are met.
Why have you stayed with this for 25 years?
I've really enjoyed this place. There's a lot of benefits. They've treated me very well. They developed me. I came in here basically as a machinist, and over the years they've progressed me to an assistant supervisor to a supervisor now.
What kind of machines do you have in your shop?
We have lathes, mills, manual, and CNCs both. We have drills, manual, several different machines.
What type of materials do you run on your machines?
We run everything from aluminum, stainless, bronze, cast iron.
What do you like about having this company in the city of Piqua?
It's a great community. I've been here I'm not originally from the area. I'm originally from Texas. I moved up here about high school, and I've just enjoyed the community, and they've always been good to me here in Piqua, Ohio.
And what is one piece of advice you would give one of our seniors going into the manufacturing field?
It's a great field to get into. when I was in high school, I decided college wasn't for me. I didn't want to further my education. I wanted to make money, and manufacturing's where it's at. I mean, I make great money doing it. So,
Would you recommend getting a certificate for a trade rather than getting a degree from a college?
it really depends on the person.
Yeah.
Some people, they love school. I particularly didn't love school, so I felt it was best for me to do what my heart felt, and then, I was good with my hands, and I wanted to use my hands, and I went to, back then we had JVS, and I was JVCC, and I got into machine trades and went with it.